$500 million bond that had been set and that the former president had to deal with today has now been reduced to $175 million. So that $465 million plus bond that he was looking at has now been reduced. As of right now, we're getting this breaking news. This appeals court allowing the former president to post a smaller bond of $175 million within 10 days.
This appears to be an absolute gross miscarriage of justice.
The title of this video over on MSNBC's page is Absolute Gross Miscarriage of Justice. And you just can't make that up, man. It is remarkable to watch. I mean, these people are going to completely lose their minds over this deal. They actually believed that the government was going to start taking the guy's properties this morning. They believed it. They thought they were going to tune in and get to watch that live on TV and just salivate. They actually believe that he's going to go on trial on nonsense. Maddie, be quiet, okay? 3, 2, 1. So the title of this video over on MSNBC's page is Absolute Gross Miscarriage of Justice. And it's remarkable to watch, man. These people are going to lose their minds over this deal. They actually believed that they were going to turn on the TV this morning and they were going to see the government start seizing Donald Trump's properties. And they were just going to salivate and fantasize and just, who knows, take off all their clothes. I don't know. They believe all this stuff. They also believe that he's actually going to go on trial for these nonsense, unconstitutional charges. And they actually believe, the truly crazy ones really do believe that Donald Trump is going to go to prison. These people are crazy, and they will never, ever figure out just how crazy they are. They believe that the guy that they have been targeting is now getting special treatment.
The playbook is different for former President Trump. We were literally talking about this the last time you and I discussed this case. I expect for them to do something for him that's different than what you see for everybody else when they go to court. So here, he's given more time to pay less money. That's what it comes down to.
It's amazing, man. The tone deafness of most of these people, they really do believe that a federal appeals court amending an order that is going to be found unconstitutional in the end anyway is something special being done for Donald Trump, as if anything special is being done for Donald Trump. They don't see the fact that he was fined over $500 million by a single judge and not a jury of his peers for a victimless crime is special. They don't think that's special. They don't see the fact that the attorney general responsible for it literally campaigned on the promise to bankrupt and destroy the guy. They don't see that as special. And they don't see the fact that she even trolled the guy on social media over the egregious amount. None of that is special to them. But they do see an appeals court trying to make the clearly unjust just a tiny, tiny bit more palatable as special treatment. I mean, this is how crazy these people are.
Do we even need to ask? I mean, honestly, this is so infuriating. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know if I care what the process is that these judges are arriving at. Whatever it is, it's flawed. I can tell you that much. I mean, David put it well. This is a different process for this person. We have decided that he gets his own private court of justice. He has a private plane. He has private clubs that he lives in. Apparently, he basically fashioned himself his own private militia to try to take over the Capitol. Now he's getting his own private system of justice. This is an absolute travesty. It would not happen for anybody else. Anybody else, it would be like, sorry, buddy, you lost, pay up. For him, he gets his own set of rules.
Again, man, the only people playing by a different set of Trump rules here is the government. And it's amazing. This guy's supposed to be some sort of actual prosecutor, and he doesn't know how appellate courts work. I mean, he says normal people are just fined and told to pack sand and that's it. No, man, that is not true. That is not how it works. Everyone has a right to appeal. I don't know why all these propagandists, they work so hard to fool people in their audience that have no clue. This is why our system works. This is how our system works for everyone in the country. And it's designed this way to literally stop powerful governments from campaigning and then using the courts for the express purposes of destroying any citizen for any reason.
Legally